Recording.
You should document the person's shortcomings in case you have a problem in the future.
This thing smells like a fish
It's
tank.
got me. It's got me. It's got me. It's got me. It's fucking my shirt up. Look, I put a hole in it. I'm glad that's not my skin.
My dad does
Here,
act like
see if you can get him to attack the camera. Oh, you gonna take a picture?
Oh yeah, Grandma. Oh bye.
Come on.
Your tchotchkes. So.
He does not know what. Hang on, I gotta move my finger back.
Oh bye. You gotta give me face shirt so I can rewrap it.
Look at.
Make sure to wear it out.
TV5 News at 10 p.m. on Fox 66 is proud to bring you Michigan's only 10 p.m. news. Live, local, late-breaking news, weather, and sports. All at a time that's right for you. Tonight at 10, watch TV5 News at 10 p.m. on Fox 66. TV5 News at 10 p.m.
Come on,
on
show
Fox
us your beak.
66 is brought to you in part by Charter Communications.
Come on, show us your beak.
First, they're gonna have their scissors out of there.
Come on, do that again. Oh man, I'm missing it every time.
Here, I'll do it. You get them on the scissors. Ready?
Scissors are in
Switch.
the China cabinet.
Watch your finger.
Hey, Dad.
Here you go.
Dad, it's the unholy banshee. By that I mean the ceiling.
Cool.
I'm going to take a picture. I don't know. Oh, Dad, look at that picture.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.